kind introduction. Nigama, Tachaho, good afternoon, and welcome to this wonderful press conference as going to showcase Chesapeake. Another Amazing Festival is going to be in June 27, 28, and 29. I am delighted to be here at the press conference announcing 2020 Chesapeake Festival. The Chesapeake Festival, one of the things I like is a hallmark event that embodies the spirit, unity, diversity, and the cultural pride in our community. First of all, I'd like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to Dr. Kenny. I don't know what tablet Dr. Kenny gave. My wife don't even give it to me, that tablet, even though she's a family doctor. She is a vibrant, amazing, dynamic person. You know, I haven't been with Dr. Kenny for decades and decades, and he's not only a family doctor, he's a good human being. And he's not connecting the people, community to the Chesapeake. He's also bringing leaders together. Doesn't matter, regardless of whether it's Asian or South Asian or South Asian. And thank you for your leadership and Dr. Kenny's vision during the 2003 SARS outbreak, which led to the inception of this festival. Thank you, Dr. Kenny. Thank you for your leadership.